guys, welcome back to my channel Nihad Systems. So today's video is about how to make a greeting card. Birthday greeting card. It's very simple to make one. So without wasting the time, let's go to the video. Today I will use three different applications, not three, two applications to make our greeting card. So everyone should subscribe, like and share, and please tell your improvements in the comment box. And okay, and nothing. The previous video link is in the description box and the I button as well. So go and watch it and maximum support us. Okay, so let's start the video. I hope the sound is clear for you. Yeah, sound is clear. Hope so. And if there are any delays, please be cooperate with that. We are actually so sorry about that. Anyway, let's start the video. So when I use this thing, so I will make one just like these things, just like this one. Happy birthday, and I would be writing on the deer, and next thing is name. Then we will write about this because I'm writing only name. I'm not writing my name. I won't write my name. Yeah, so this is for a show to you how it will work. Anyway, I'm using two applications. The first one is Canva. Canva is a simple application. I'm using the website. You can use the application that you can install on your phone. And the next application is Picsart editor. It is a great editor to help us make a greeting card. So anyway, let's start by using Canvas. We need a poster. So I think you know what about a poster is. You have to search poster in Canva and click enter, and then you can see so many results. I'm taking this first one. I like its background. So we will clear this. We will delete this, and we will add this too. Okay, we'll put this in the top. and this at the bottom. No, I think it is better on the top, and I need to flip. Yes, this is better. I think. No, this is. So let's skip this. Okay. Let's adjust this thing, and put this thing here, and let's write it. So let's start writing it. Okay, so I will write the things that in this like in this picture. So wait. Okay. Okay, guys, welcome back again. Okay, I completed. I written this and edited this with the effects splice. Okay, splice, and I write birthday if birthday greeting. Wait a second. Okay, birthday. I write birthday greeting. And this is not beautiful this image, but you can use these apps to create like this. I'm showing a sample to make you understand how this works. Okay, that's only for here. We have to download this. Okay, so click on that share and click on the download option. Download it. It will download as a PNG. Okay, so after downloading, it will show up. If it is Google Chrome, it will show up on the downloads. If it is Microsoft Edge, it will show on the top. So these things will be downloaded in the downloads. Green symbol daily motivation poster. Okay, you can see that here. And we are creating Picsart and click on the new project and see this. You have to see this. Okay, Picsart helped you to create different emojis and that type, etc. Let's create cookies and everything. Okay, click on the original type and click on uploads. Okay, click on the upload option. When you are doing this in computer, it will show cookies, such things. You have to ignore it. Click on the green symbol daily motivation poster that we talked about. But in phone you don't have to do like these. These are simple. I will do a video how Picsart and Canva works about everything. Anyway, let's make these things really wider. Okay, that is good. But more wider makes it slow view. Okay, this is better. We need some. The background should be type of green. No, type a blue effect. That matches with our creation. Okay, this is great. Okay, this is good. This is green. Okay, another thing is stickers. Okay, we had to adjust this here. The stickers. Okay, I hope my voice is clear. So I'm really sorry about that. The voice, there's some problems. Anyway, let's search for a happy birthday signs. Not the birthday day, I mean birthday. There are only little. Anyway, I'm clicking on the first one is better. I think the first one is better. Okay. Okay. I hope you can correctly hear me now. Okay, we get. Okay, we should delete the first one. Okay. I really apologize about the voice that you didn't hear. I hope you understand. Okay, let's type balloons. Not balloons. I think no need of balloons, okay? Okay guys, we got a balloon picture and we are adjusting over here. Wait to notice it to see if whether it works or not. Anyway, I hope these things are correct. Okay, I almost had it, but mine is not that much beautiful. I apologize. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and such more. Watch the previous videos, and another thing I have to say is that the Canva and Picsart link will be in the description box. Okay, the link will be in the description box. You can check out the websites and applications. It is also available in iOS, but I don't have iOS phone, so I can't share the link of iOS. But I will definitely share the link on Android phones about Canva and Picsart. Okay, link in applications and links. Okay, so I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, share. So bye bye.